Good evening and join the students. I'm Sumana Agarwal welcoming you in new chapter Light, Shadow and Reflections. What is light? Imagine you are in completely dark room. Will you be able to see things? Definitely no. But what happens when you switch on the bulb? You can see the things clearly. It means light is something that makes things visible. Or in other words, light is form of energy that makes things visible. If you look around you, you will find that there are some bodies which give out light and there are some bodies which do not give out light. So on the basis of that, we can classify the bodies into two categories, luminous body and non-luminous bodies. Luminous bodies, the bodies which emit light are called luminous bodies. Example, the sun, stars, burning candle, electric bulb, etc. are luminous bodies. And sun, stars are the luminous bodies which are provided by the nature. It means natural luminous bodies. And candle, electric bulb are the man-made luminous bodies. There are some bodies which do not emit light, that are called non-luminous bodies. For example, tables, chair, earth, moon, etc. Table, chair are man-made non-luminous bodies, while the earth and moon are the natural non-luminous bodies. In previous chapter, you have learned that different objects behave differently towards light. This is because different objects are made of different materials and different materials show different behavior towards light. So basis on this, all the materials can be classified into three categories. First is transparent substances. Means those substances which allow light to pass through it is called transparent substances. For example, glass, water, cellophane paper, air, etc. And those substances which does not allow light to pass through it is called opaque substances. It means you cannot see the things that are behind the opaque substance. For example, cardboard, metals, etc. Translucent objects, yes, substances. Those substances which allows only a part of light to pass through, it is called translucent substance. For example, wax, paper, blood, skin, grounded glass are the example of translucent substances. Thank you.